Good day, good day, good day, good day. Welcome to our lesson. On this lesson, I'm going to do measurement, which I'll be focusing on area as well as volumes. So this topic would assist grade 12s, especially when it comes to application of calculus, because if you know how to find the surface area and also how to optimize the volume, then it become easy for you guys to solve those questions about calculus, which will be requiring minimum and also the maximum. Also, this lesson will also help grade 11s who are also doing measurement. So also knowing volumes and also surface area will also help grade 11s when it comes to measurement. So without wasting any time, I'm going to go straight to the topic, which will be, of course, assisting grade 12s in application of calculus. And also to also assist grade 11s when it comes to measurement. So without wasting any time, I'm going to go straight to the lesson. So from the knowledge that you might have from primary, when it comes to area, we know we've got different areas. For example, the area of a circle won't be the same as the area of a rectangle. They all differ from each other. Same thing applies to volumes. The volumes of a pyramid and also the volumes of a square or a triangle, they'll also differ from each other. So I'm going to start with area first. So with area, we know from grade or primary level that if I'm having a rectangle, let's say I'm having a rectangle. So the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, meaning this side and this side must be equal. So if I'm having this side, let's say this side I'm having 6. Also this side will be 6 because they are supposed to be equal value. So the other side, let's say let's just give it my length as 5. So also this length must also be 5 because opposite sides of a rectangle must be equal to each other. So in an exam room, they can just give you a rectangle, then they just put 6 there, then put 5 there. They know that this side is supposed to be 6 as well. Also, this length will be 6. So the area of a rectangle, to solve, you need to use this formula for a rectangle, which would be length times breadth. It's length times breadth or length times width. Some textbooks, they can say length times width. So by length, we are referring to this side. Also this side, this is our length. Our breadth will be this side or our width, that side. So that's the length. Length, this side, then the breadth, that side. So to simplify or to find the area of this given triangle here, if you were to ask me to solve the triangle or rectangle or area for this rectangle, I will just simply go and put everything on the formula. So the length is 5 and then the breadth is 6. So that means that if I was doing centimeter here, centimeter there, therefore my area would be 5 times 6, which would be 30 centimeter squared. That will be my area for that triangle. For that rectangle. So the area for that rectangle will be the length times the breadth, which will be 5 times 6. So these are typical ways in which you can find the area. So without wasting time, I want to try also find other areas for other shapes. For example, if I'm having this shape, we know that it's a right angle triangle, right? This is a right angle triangle. So I'm having a right angle triangle in this shape. So whenever you get this shape, it's a right angle triangle. So now again, there's a formula to find the area for a triangle. So the formula to find the area of a triangle is half times breadth times height. That is the formula to find the area of a triangle. So now when you come to your shape, this side that is down here will be the breadth. So this is your B there. Then this one becomes your height. That's our height. So this line down there, that's your breadth or your B. This one becomes your height. So in the formula, just go and do half of the product of the height and also the breadth. For example, if I were to give an example, just say an example, then I give a triangle, and then let's say our breadth is 4, then our height, let's say it's 6. So if they ask us to find the area will be half times my breadth, which will be 4, times 6. So half, that will be half of 4 times 6 will be 24. So half of 24 will be 12. So your answer will be 12. Again, if I'm using centimeter, also you expect to be in centimeter squared or whatever unit they'll be using now. So that would be the triangle. So now I've covered 2 different shapes, which is the triangle and also the rectangle. So the most important thing is you must know the formulas for each. If you know the formulas of each area, then it becomes easy to solve any problem they'll give you in the exam. Because they can give different exam depending on the scenario as they are referring to. So I want to also try